More than 60 nations agree to address concerns over AI use in warfare. Even China agreed that something must be done before it's too late. AI fighting AI. They're like, whoa, this is out of hand. Are we even involved in this war anymore? They just decided, look at this contraption that we're...
Yeah, this looks crazy.
So what we're looking at is an image of some weaponry and all types of optics. So like a PTZ style camera that can zoom, pan, tilt in order to acquire targets. I feel like that's night vision on the front there. And is this entire bot remotely controlled? Whoa. The sudden
a Gatling gun, like some rocket launchers or something.
Yeah.
Over here.
Projectile.
Yeah.
Sudden rise of advancement of artificial intelligence systems over the last few months have brought fears of its potentially harmful effects on society. Not only might AI threaten human jobs and creativity, but smart machines' use in warfare could have catastrophic consequences. To address this danger, the first global summit on responsible artificial intelligence in the military domain was held. That's so specific. Like, wouldn't this apply everywhere? But I guess you got to be specific if this is the business you're in. Co-hosted by the Netherlands and South Korea last week, the conference was attended by representatives from over 60 countries, including China. And the call to action was signed by all attendees apart from Israel, confirmed that nations were committed to developing and using military AI in accordance with international legal obligations and in a way that does not undermine international security. It's always weird. Rules about war. It's weird. It's like, if we're going to kill each other, we got to do it right.
Uh-huh.
And you're like, if you go back far enough, these dudes used to line up, take turns.
Yeah.
Outfits and trumpets. And they're like, that's the rules. Honor.
Yeah, until they started digging trenches.
And then
they're like, hey, don't do that.
That's not honorable. We're going to do the same thing.
Yeah.
Next thing you know,
that
it's
was a grenade.
Everything out the window, and just whoever's winning gets to dictate what the rules to everyone else. They say, you do those things because guess what? We're winning. So you best be listening. Mm-hmm. It's always been a weird one. And the same goes here. They're like, well, if somebody's going to kill you, it better be me and not some AI.
Yeah. Because we want the glory.
And if you're going to kill me, it better be you and not your AI. And then they're like, yeah, let's shake hands on that. It's like, well, you're dead either way. And I'm not sure that humans are more reliable. I'm not sure about our track record, to be honest. I mean.
And then what about using AI to, like, hack security systems in nations?
Exactly. Like, they can sign a document. Does it mean they're actually going to do it? Mm-hmm. Are they going to sign a document and launch a balloon 5 minutes later?
Because oftentimes it's like software. It's not really like the hardware. It's not like Terminator or something.
Yeah.
It's like hacking. So.
Oh, wow. Everybody wants to know what the winner was on the intro, the video game system intro tone. Oh, yeah. Everyone wants to know what the winner was. I think I saw mostly PS1. Now, I should have assumed that as much as I love the Dreamcast one because it's nostalgic to more people. Dreamcast was not a massive hit, unfortunately. However, PS1 was a gargantuan hit. And so this is extremely familiar to people and also good. By the way, I had this as a top 2 regardless, even though I probably marginally put Dreamcast. I mean, that's unbelievable as well, I can't believe you just did that to me. I don't even know I could handle that again. Yeah, listen, so I'm glad you guys enjoyed that segment. It was kind of a freestyle moment, but I would say that PS1 won the vote, but Dreamcast won my heart.
Okay.
You understand that well?
Yeah.
Now, you guys, listen just one more time.
With the low end?
That'll put you somewhere, dude.
Yeah.
So I'm sticking with Dreamcast, but the audience has voted PS1. And I don't know if there's any other honorable mentions.
Yeah.